Hello guys, this video today is in English because I wanted to explain to everyone so everyone can understand it. Sorry for my not really excellent English. I want to show you that I can run Battlefield 5 on Linux via Lutris. So you can go to the Lutris page and download Lutris and install the normal Origin installation script, not the Battlefield 5 script. It runs not for me, but the normal Origin installation script works out of the box. And then you have to install at least winetricks VC 2015, I think. And then there is no problem with installing the game. At first, when I did not install that winetricks thing, then the game crashes on installation at 20% download. And yeah, after the installation of this winetrick, nothing like an error appears, so you can just normally run into the game and play it. As you can see, I use a window manager, i3, and this makes some problems with some wine games. So I always emulate a Windows screen, a wine full screen, and open Origin there. It looks a little bit buggy, but it works out of the box with no issues right now. And then you can jump into the game. And as you can see, I tried to play an online game, a multiplayer game in Battlefield. And the problem here is I deleted the last Vulcan cache. So Vulcan caches the things around you in the game of the map in a specific path, and I wanted to show you the real experience from the first time joining a match. And if you never ever been on this map before with your setup, then you have the problem that it has to load all the files from the map into the cache. And the first 5 minutes on the game are very laggy, but this disappears after 5 minutes on the game forever. So if you ever go to the map again after rebooting your system or something like that, it still is in this cache. Only if the game makes a major update, then you have to read this cache new, but it's not a game breaker, it's just the first 5 minutes. And without recording, it's okay, it's playable with this lag at the start. And in the game right now, I have a decent amount of frames per second. So at least I think between 60 and 90 FPS. And yeah, it runs very, very fast, and there's no issue with this game. At least I didn't get banned from Origin, from EA. And I played a lot of hours on Linux and have no issues with that. Hopefully this will stay so. And yeah, I think it runs really, really well, and I hope someone can follow my instructions and play Battlefield 5 on Linux. Have fun!